Have you ever heard of human composting? It's wild and maybe even a little bit disturbing, but it's legal in several states. It's part of a much bigger conversation about land, death, and even our food. So here's the breakdown. When someone chooses human composting, or is also called natural human reduction, their body is basically placed in a vessel along with wood chips, alfalfa, straw. And over the next 30 to 60 days, the heat along with the microbes basically breaks the body down into usable soil. Now this sounds new, but it's not. Humans actually been returning to the dirt for centuries. Before the caskets, before the embalming fluid, and before industrial cremation. So why is it a big deal now? Well, because we named it, we control it. We created a process where someone can opt into it. And that brings up a lot of uncomfortable questions for people. Like, could that soil grow food? Is it already a part of the soil system? Is human composting cannibalism? Let's be clear, this isn't cannibalism. Cannibalism is eating human flesh, which you're not doing here. This is decomposition, the natural cycle of life and death. You're just more aware of it now. But when you think of it, maybe that's what makes people uncomfortable. Because when you sit down and you think about it, we probably had fruits and vegetables or food that has grown in soil that had decomposed human remains from centuries ago. It's just a reality. But what are the deeper questions here? Well, human composting is already legal in states like California, Washington, Oregon, New York, and a few other states. It's being marketed as an eco-friendly alternative to cremation and traditional burials. But it also raises a few questions like who profits from it, who controls the process, and is this just another green opportunity to exploit people's death? Most importantly, what does this mean for our food system? Well, most human reduction isn't going directly into agriculture yet. Most people actually get that and their families like plant a tree on top of that. That's where mainly it's going. But the theory is it could, because at the end of the day, it's still soil. And if that soil enters the wider ecosystem, then yes, it could go into our food system, just like decomposed animals do, just like their waste does. At the end of the day, this is not just about compost or controversy. It's about how disconnected we've become from what feeds us, the land, our life cycle, and the truth. Now, whether we're ready or not, these questions are already shaping the future of food.